In this video, I will show you how to fix the "you can't message this account" error on Messenger. This problem usually happens if the person blocked you, deactivated their Facebook account, restricted message requests, or if your account was temporarily restricted by Meta. First, check if the account is still active. You can ask a mutual friend to search for the profile. If they can't find it either, the account may be deactivated or deleted. If they can see it but you can't message them, you may have been blocked. Next, try sending them a friend request. Some Messenger privacy settings only allow messages from friends. You should also make sure you didn't block them by mistake. Open Messenger, tap the menu icon, go to Settings, then Privacy and Safety, and check Blocked Accounts. If you recently sent too many messages, your account may be temporarily restricted by Meta. In that case, wait for some time and avoid sending spam messages. You can also try clearing the Messenger cache, updating the app, or logging out and logging back in to fix temporary app glitches. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.